Then we start to do the head color offset calibration. We go to open software and we click choose the test head color adjust image, and waiting for 100% finish. And we put the paper, A3 size paper, at the bottom of the print head. And waiting for 100% finish. Then we start print. Then we can see the print out picture for each print head. And this is the direction, this print out direction. First, we must make a mark this way. So here is the direction for, so here is H1 and these two group is H2, and where here is H3 and here is H4. Because the Epson i3200 printer head, one printer head have 8 channels. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These 8 channels all are for the first printer head. These 8 channels all are for the number 2 printer head. So we got to find out, we must be sure the zero line must be straight cover. Then we go to see the line carefully, make the bigger. The zero is no change. We just find out which one is overlap. So here it's okay. The yellow cable, the yellow lines with black lines are covered. The magenta line with black line are covered. The zero line must be covered, no overlap. And here also okay. But for example, for the Y, for the first print head, the C1, we can see the C1 zero lines also good. So the first print head all okay. Then we go to check the second print head. Number 2 print head Y, M, C, K, that's good. The K0 is problem. You can see the K0. The number 2 print head, K0, the zero line is not covered. The -10. So we just find out head 2, K0. We must put -10 here. This is good, but zero is not strict. Not good. So we find out head 2, color print head 2, the K0. We enlarge, we can see the lines. This zero lines is overlap. We must be sure zero line is like one straight line. And we find the best line is no overlap, is -10. Zero is not good. Just be sure after we alignment, we must be sure that zero is not overlap. So we get the number -10, and we go to the software. because software calibrate and color offset. We find number 2 printed head. This number 1 color. This number 2 color printed head. Number 2 K0 is here, and then here's -10. -10 plus -10 is -20, and then again -20. Then the number automatically change. Then we click set and save. Then we print picture again to be sure confirm. So after we put the number by -10 to the software, we print it again. We got this new print out image. So before we can see here head 2, color print head 2, K0 is 0's overlap. Like this, overlap. And then after we print, we also find out head 2 is after head 2 and K0. We check if it is good. So now it's better than before. It's good. Before it's overlap. See the 0 now after alignment. After alignment K0 0, and before alignment 0 is 2 lines. After is 1 line. So that means it is good. And also we do calibrate for other printed head by same way. To put the number plus the number. First get number from the print out image, and then we put the number plus the number to the software. Not the number not put directly, but for example right now software is -10, just the plus -10 from the software, and we plus the number we get from the print out picture, but not put directly, not put -10 directly, but -10 plus -10 is -20. So this procedure to do the calibration for color offset for each print head.